Hello everyone, I'm still here at my aunt's house. Move these hanging out of the way, sorry. And here's the Hunter Clarion Summer Breeze. Here in the back bed, in the master bedroom. So, here's the light. Big schoolhouse. Big round bulb. There's the fan. I have never tested this one. I have never done any repairs on it. This one's perfectly fine. Same thing with the fan in the office. The Infinity, I had to tighten blades. Okay, let's pull up. Medium. We're gonna bump the high real quick. Good breeze, just like the 4-blade Summer Breeze. Hunter Clarion is basically just a Summer Breeze except a 5-blade model back in the older version. Thank you, Jonathan. Link to his channel because he knows everything about fans almost. Almost because he couldn't identify 2. Only 2. Good breeze. Very good breeze. It is flush mounted. I don't like flush mounting. It's okay. Probably had to flush mount it because of the big bed thing. Big bed frame. Another one-way switch. Old houses, am I right? One-way switches. That'll call you. Much okay. Okay, well, I think I'm just gonna link all the links in this video. Go in the description, subscribe to these guys, because they're cool. Yeah, cool dudes. Really cool dudes. Yeah, go subscribe. Yeah. I'll continue talking until this fan is done on spin down. So I can go upload these, because I upload them all in a straight strip. If I had to play Jeopardy music, that means Hunter's doing good today. Okay, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you had a good day. Hope you have a better day. See y'all later. You're awesome. Shout. I don't know.